Oh, man. Welcome to the vlog. Another vlog, another day of me and you, buddy. And you guys. I might as well just say now, because I know I'm gonna put it in the title, that there has been some bad news. I like briefly mentioned it at the end of the last vlog if you guys saw. But I just want to say, because this was supposed to be the most exciting, fun vlog where my mom, my sister, her boyfriend, we're all gonna come down today. Chase Max's sister was coming, his friend from home was coming, like so many people are coming to go to Max's game tonight. There's a home Flyers game and Max actually tested positive for COVID. So he is in quarantine. He's on COVID protocol for the Flyers and isn't playing. So his family isn't coming, my family's not coming, no one's coming. And I was so looking forward to it because like I've mentioned previously, any like social thing here recently has been canceled because of COVID. So I'm happy, of course, that we're all like being safe and everything, but it's just sad when that's like what I have to look forward to. And I've just been like so bored here with Brody. Not that you're boring, you're so fun. Like literally what would I do without Brody? Because I've been like alone so much. I was on FaceTime with Max earlier and we looked back. I don't think he's been here for more than like a day at a time since the very beginning of November. So it's been like a month and a half where I've just seen him here and there for maybe like 20 minutes after game or an hour, or like if he's here for 24 hours on a day off. It's pretty sad. And so yeah. It's just a stinky situation. And it's also hard because he's asymptomatic and feels totally fine. He doesn't feel sick at all. So yeah, that's just what's going on though. I like feel weird talking about it. Honestly, I probably wouldn't have like brought it up or talked about it because it's like his health, but the Flyers are tweeting about it and you guys are already in my DMs being like, oh my gosh, I hope Max is okay. So might as well address it. That's why my vlogs are boring and not fun, because can't see him. And he's not playing in any hockey games. So I'm really excited to be going home to Albany to see my mom, my sister, and her boyfriend, since they were supposed to come here. I'm gonna go to Albany for Christmas and have so much fun. And yeah, so that's coming probably in the next vlog. But last boring vlog here by myself, starting off late as I have been, because what else do we have to do? Use I have my little smoothie, and now we are running errands. I just have to get out of the house basically when I can. Do I have my keys? Why won't my car start? Hold remote control. Wait, I have my keys. Why is my remote start being weird? Oh god. Okay, that was so weird. Engine fault. Yay! Come on, Coco, you can do it. Anyway, we are just getting out of the house to do something, because or else I will go crazy. And we are gonna go to CVS right now. It's the only thing I have to do. I just have to run in and grab toothpaste. So Rory's coming with to go for a ride because he loves going for a ride. So we're doing that, and since Max and I don't see each other anymore, we can't really spend quality time together. And my love language is quality time, so I'm like not okay over here. One of my girlfriends FaceTimed me earlier. She's like, I know you're like so independent and strong, and like I'm so fine without Max here, but she's like, how are you really doing? Like, are you okay just spending so much time alone? And I'm like, you know, no, I really am. But I called Max earlier and I'm like, obviously I miss spending time with you, especially now you're in freaking quarantine for a while, so I'm not gonna see you. Like, let's have a date night over FaceTime and like watch a movie like we used to do when we were long distance. So yeah, that is gonna happen later. I invited him on a date at 8 o'clock to watch a Christmas movie, so we shall see. But yeah, that's the sad news. And of course, all of today, now that ever since I heard of Max's news and another guy on his team is on COVID protocol and the assistant coach, I keep getting notifications from like I don't even think I have the NHL app. Or no, I think it's the AHL app. Maybe I still have that. But wait, I'm gonna pull it up so I can tell you exactly. I sent it to Max and I go, oh man. Or no, ESPN, that's what it is. Both Nashville and Boston will be shut down through Christmas due to COVID-19 issues. Like it's like every team is having issues. So many teams are shutting down because of COVID. So that's just the sad reality of right now. COVID stinks. I just want it to be over. It's like messing up so many plans, but obviously I just have to be grateful and very privileged to have my health in times like these. And so we are just staying safe over here, hanging out with the two of us. We are my fun outing of the day. If you guys don't do this Crest toothpaste, I don't trust you. It's the best one. Sorry, you can hear the laundry going in the back. I know I showed you switching my laundry over. Very exciting over here, you guys. Just had some rice for dinner. Yeah, that's all that's going on. Okay, but I thought this could be fun. Got some packages in the mail. Let's see what we've got. So this is from Necessaire. It says the deodorant gel. Either I've been living under a rock and I just didn't know that they have this, or it's a new product. So I'm really excited. Eucalyptus deodorant from Necessaire. And you guys know I love Necessaire, especially their body wash, body lotion, body serum, body exfoliator. Just love Necessaire. Then the next package is extra exciting because if there's a case in there that I think is in there, you guys are gonna pick out, you know, all my cases are case to buy. I have this Holly Jolly festive one on right now that I love so much, but this isn't sponsored by them or anything, but you guys always ask me and my code for them has stayed the same. So it's caseofit.com/Gretchen. You'll get 15, or is it 20%? No, it's 15% off your new favorite phone case, so I can put that in the description. But yeah, which is always caseofit.com/Gretchen. Guys, I'm so excited right now. Wait a minute! wait, this isn't the one. Oh, I just got all hyped up. It must be coming separate. Okay. Nope, wow. You know what? I'm not gonna give it away what it was. It had to do with Brody. It was Brody on another phone case. Wait, these are so cute. I might have to switch to this one right now. I forgot I picked this one out. It came just in time for Christmas. Look at this one. Oh, you might have to switch because this was my like favorite last year. Now we've got this one. I just thought it was so cute. When I picked it out, it was like little Santas. Oh, you guys, the custom one I made of Brody coming soon. And just wait till you see. Okay, then we got another Brody, because I always just do a bunch that have like my name, his name, my initials. I could do his initials, BW. I'm like running around in BW. People are probably like, what is that? Oh, and then last but not least, you guys, this peach one I've been looking at so long. I wonder if Aspen has this one. I've definitely seen somebody with this one and I always thought it was so cute. So Brody, what are you doing? I think he wants attention. Anyway, that would be fun to open those together. Sorry, I hyped up one that is not here yet. Coming soon. And now I gotta go get ready for my date night. It's in like an hour. And by get ready, I mean I'm wearing this because it's our FaceTime date night. So yeah, we gotta see what movie we're gonna do. We gotta find like a Christmassy one. You guys, we're all set up for our little date night.
Hello, everybody.
Show them what shirt you're wearing. I'll cry.
I'm just wearing a normal shirt.
Earlier I said to Max, are you gonna dress up for our date night? And he put on a button down.
It's date night.
You're so sweet. And I'm like, okay, I look like poop over here wearing my normal old sweatshirt. You guys, he put on a button down. And we remembered our trick of how we would watch movies over FaceTime. It's a little complex, but what you do is AirPods connected to your phone, and then you have the other person on FaceTime in one ear, and then you can play your TV out loud so you can hear that in the other ear, but that way you can talk to each other, but you only hear your own TV, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the system. And Max picked out the movie, cutie. And it's this movie called Love Hard. It's like a new, is this a rom-com, Max?
Yeah, I think so.
My favorite. Okay, literally my favorite. And it's like Christmassy. This is gonna be so good. Yeah. Okay, Brody. That was naughty. It's these gloves you want. He's obsessed when I wear gloves. Is this all blurry from him just? Sit. You've been bad. Sit. Stay. Stay. Good morning. It's a nice morning. We just went for a walk. You wouldn't know because you're acting crazy. It's whenever I wear gloves, he goes crazy. Anyway, it's freezing cold out. You can probably tell by my face. Very freezing. We had a nice little walk. Ignore Brody being a bad boy. I feel like Brody really smudged up this lens. It looks weird. Like the lens itself looks like smudgy, but then in the viewfinder, I think I look okay. Brody, did you mess up my camera? You can probably hear him chomping away on his breakfast over there. I still feel like, is this blurry? I don't know. I still feel like my face is like frozen and moving in slow motion when I'm trying to talk. Do you feel like that happens to you guys? I feel like walking outside and it's cold. My face is so frozen. I don't know what to do with my face because I had gloves, like mittens, a hat on, my parka, Brody. But like my face is cold. I'm like, do I bring one of those like neck warmer things and pull it over my nose? I could get a mask. They must make masks that are like fuzzy on the inside. That would be good for me. Also, you can probably tell I was cleaning my bathroom countertop this morning and broke my nail so badly. I'll spare you the photo because it doesn't just break the tip, it breaks like right in half of my nail, and like literally it's like a deep cut in my finger, bleeding everywhere. So that's fine. That looks just beautiful. But what I was gonna tell you guys, you know, I'm gonna leave that in of Brody jumping up being bad because I feel like normally I'd be like, oh my gosh, we gotta edit that out. It's gonna make me look like a bad dog mom. I feel like I'm a great dog mom and he's pretty well trained. Something about if I'm wearing gloves or mittens, he'll like go crazy and try to like jump. Ever since he's been a puppy, I don't know why he's obsessed with them. I don't know if your guys' dogs are the same. The reason I'm gonna leave it in, I wanna be relatable and just be real because sometimes he has bad moments and I get DMs from you guys all the time or comments being like, how is your golden so chill? Like mine is so crazy. He literally is so chill like 99% of the time, but sometimes he's not. But yeah, I think that's just kind of how he is, and I've just always been around him. Like he's really never alone that much, so he's probably bored of me and just relaxes anyway. I don't know. But we've also just, yeah, I guess tried training him ever since a puppy, like brought him to puppy classes, whatever. But I just want to be real with you guys. Sometimes he's naughty. And especially, I feel like it's just so good to be very honest about like, I can't make this up. Is this you apologizing for jumping on me? Are you trying to kiss me on the lip? I have such a clinger. I knew that was coming. I like how we both sit up on the top of the couch. Like, are we okay? Anyway, what I'm trying to say is I got the sweetest DM this morning from this girl being like, thank you for just being so real and like showing how your life really is right now, and like how it can just be boring and not like the normal fun holidays because of COVID, and you can just be like alone, and the highlight of my day is literally walking Brody in the morning. I was gonna bring my vlog camera this morning, by the way, because it literally has been like the highlight of my day since we've just been alone so much. I get so excited when we can go on a nice long walk, especially if I never like bring my phone because I like to have my time away from my phone, but I will bring my phone to listen to podcasts, and I'll pop in my AirPods, but I'm not even on my phone or anything. I just leave it in my pocket and we'll like walk. We literally can walk for like an hour, especially if I have a podcast in. He is so funny. But then I was like, I'm not bringing my vlog camera. This is like me time, so I'll just talk about it, how we've been loving it so much. But yeah, basically the DM was just so sweet, saying how she like really relates, and that I like worry that my vlogs are like boring right now, which I feel like they are, but a lot of people relate to this right now, just being sort of like secluded and not doing all the plans that you had planned because COVID is messing with everything, which I just keep like cringing as I'm saying that because I don't want any of you to take it like I'm like, oh, poor me, COVID's ruining my plans. No, like I'm saying, I'm sure you guys can relate. I'm sure it's like messed with your guys' plans as well. And like, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. I just don't want you to think that I'm being just like so far gone and not realizing. Like, I'm so blessed that I have my health and I'm all good, and I realize that. And so that's why we're just being as safe as we can, hanging out, the two of us, before we go home and see my family. But yeah, all I'm trying to say is, I don't know, I just said it for like 5 minutes. We're enjoying our walk, and I'm happy that you guys are still tuning in, even though Vlogmas isn't as like, I guess, exciting and like eventful as it has been in years past. Are you a clingy boy? Does that mean yes? Okay, I just stopped vlogging, but I realized I wanted to say one more thing that I forgot to say. Okay, last thing you saw last night was Max and I had our date night watching Love Hard on Netflix. I would recommend. It was definitely like cheesy, predictable movie. At the very beginning, I was like, Max, let's predict what happens. I was right, and I won't give it away, but yeah, as cheesy and like predictable as it can be, and you're just like, oh, of course this is happening, it's also really cute. And we literally both, sorry I'm exposing you, Max, but we both were like tearing up towards the end because it was just so cute, and you're just like, oh. And like, yeah, that's all I'll say. But you guys should watch that movie because it was really cute, and we had so much fun over FaceTime doing a little date night. Like, you just gotta do what you can do these days, like make do with what you've got in your situation. And I was like literally joking earlier in the day, I'm like, you're gonna dress up for our date night? And he put on a button down, and I could cry thinking about it right now. Like, how thoughtful. And I'm like, I'm in my same sweater. I'm like, Max, I wish I put on like a dress or something. Why does that break my heart? Because I think of like, not me literally crying right now, because I think of like my twin sister who has a boyfriend in Ireland, and they literally are like 6-hour time difference, and they actually will do date nights where they like fully dress up. I remember one year in college, it was our senior year at BU, and it was Valentine's Day, and I gave her like this silk dress that she put on, and he was all dressed up, and they were like over FaceTime, and it was so cute. Anyway, if any of you are in long distance relationships, I'm crying for you right now because I think it's so sweet how like you just put in so much effort to make it work and whatever. So Max and I are like barely distance right now, we just don't see each other, but yeah, that was really, really sweet. You guys should do that with your boyfriends, girlfriends, even if you're not like really long distance like us. It's just, I don't know, it's just a fun way to connect when you're like not together. Okay, I thought this would be exciting since we don't have much going on. Just something to show you guys. I organized my little cabinet up here. Oh, and I feel like it doesn't even look that organized, but this is much better than it was before. So I thought I could just show you. I feel like I never showed this little cabinet in my bathroom all that much. I also like cleaned all the countertop this morning, and yeah. Anyway, okay, let's get started. We have a boatload of dry shampoo. This is my dry shampoo corner. Then we have some heat protectant, hair oil, my hairspray, ibuprofen randomly. Love ibuprofen. Just in case I need it. Some like spray. Actually, I really love this one. It's a eucalyptus, lavender and eucalyptus. I got it at the Monarch Beach Resort in Laguna Beach, and yeah, I don't know, it just always reminds me of it there. I love it there. Then we've got this mat that, Brody, what are you doing? It again doesn't look very organized, but it's much better than it was before. I have heat protectants that are, no. These are leave-in conditioners that I use. I have Olaplex. This is the number 6 and the number 7 oil. Love using these, and they also have heat protectant in them too, which is really cool. So I feel like I end up using those more when my hair is wet and then it dries and it's like already protected, so I don't need my like dry heat protectants as much. Moisturizer, tanning, serum, toothbrush, toothpaste, eyelash serum, conditioner, like scissors, nail files, stuff like that. The Laneige lip mask I'm currently using, like samples of stuff. And this is like my everyday makeup that I just leave right here, and my hairbrush. And this mirror needs to shut off. It's because it's sensor and it's in my eyes and bothering me. Then I have the Luxe Unfiltered like gradual tanning lotion, another body lotion, my mirror that is blinding me. You guys, I'm laughing so hard. I'm so embarrassed. I was like, I'm gonna make this so cute so I can show you guys my oatmeal. Like, it's gonna be very picturesque. It's hideous. Why did I think this was gonna be cute to show you guys? Okay, first of all, I think the presentation is horrible because I mixed in some protein powder in there just to like, you know, bulk it up a little, whatever, what have you. So that made it really ugly, first of all. And then the peanut butter, you can't even see, but there's like peanut butter that sort of like melted all over the top. And the blueberries and it's just not cute like I thought it was gonna be. This is my new favorite thing. I do like a little sprinkle of granola on top, and it just makes it kind of like crunchy. It's just like a fun texture. Sometimes I do like yogurt. I can do goji berries, chia seeds. But yeah, fail. This is not cute. But that's my late breakfast, just simple. Always going for the oatmeal. You know, I'm trying to be cute. Like, I'm thinking my friend Caitlin Nolan, who makes all her meals like so picturesque and just like very beautiful. I thought it was gonna look like that because she always makes oats with like blueberries and they look really cute, but that was not cute. So I'm gonna keep trying to be like Caitlin. But thank you guys for watching this vlog. I'm gonna end it off here. Love you, and I'll see you in my next video, which should be an all venue with my family, which is gonna be so exciting. Okay, love ya.